Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Merry third day of Christmas to all of you. I hope you're having a blessed Christmas season. Today, on this really foggy day, we took a ride up to Pennsylvania to take my son to the train station, and we stopped at two different Dollar Trees on the way home. So I'm going to show you items that are on sale for Christmas items, as well as lots of sneak peeks of Valentine Day merchandise, Mardi Gras, New Year's, and believe it or not, there's even springtime and Easter merchandise available. So one of the stores that I'm showing you now was a regular dollar store. There's another one that we went into that has plus items. Now all of the Christmas is 50% off. So there's a lot of real bargains to be had. For example, these gift bags you see here are all 63 cents, half of $1.25. So it's a great way to stock up, and it'll be nice to have them on hand for next year. So I'm showing you they have quite a nice assortment still remaining. They also have other decorative Christmas accessories. These bells are nice. Again, 63 cents now for 50% off. And people are transforming those using spray paint and attaching them together. Bells were very popular decor. This 2-pack of decorative boxes is also now 63 cents. So I picked up some of those. For those of you who enjoy selling your crafts at fairs, it's a great opportunity to buy some of the supplies at 50% off. These trees are now 2 for $1.25. So I have used them to make beautiful swags as well as window and doorway decorations. Here you can see a few of the many ways I've used those trees to make beautiful swags that I've embellished in thematic ways. I've also used them as window decorations. A lot of the lovely Christmas ribbon can be used year-round, so for 63 cents a spool, it's a good deal. For those of you who follow my channel, you know I like to take these tinsel ornaments and transform them using a nice plush yarn. These are also on sale and a great way to decorate or sell at craft fairs. And I picked up some of these lighted necklaces. They're not only festive to wear, but you can also work them in to some of your arrangements. They're also really pretty when you put them into a gift basket, and then when you present your gift, you can turn them on and light them. It is a really delightful presentation. They had a display of items designed for celebrating New Year's, and you can see a lot of silver and plastic glassware. These silver trays, while nice for New Year's celebrations, are so versatile. I use them in a variety of ways. Here I'm showing you some of the ways I've used them for display as well as gifts. I think they're one of the most versatile items Dollar Tree sells. You can see here I've used them for rolled up towels as well as napkins for a buffet. And now I'll show you some of the sneak peek of the Valentine merchandise. Here we are in the Dollar Plus store, and they had this beautiful garland made of wooden beads and wooden hearts for $3. And I thought even if you took it apart, there's a lot of nice decorative items in here that could be used. They also had a lot of decorative gift bags with the hearts and the pinks and the reds and the whites, all those sweet Valentine colors. These are hearts that look like placemats in pink and red. They had beautiful tissue as well as decorative boxes for gift giving. And over here you can see doilies and stickers and all kinds of pretty gumball machines in the pink and red. They had stickers up here. Here are some pretty ones I remember from last year as well. They had some really nice Valentine cards for children to exchange. So if you have young children or grandchildren, these packs of 8 were really nice because they came with little miniature cars to accompany each card. Here you can see similarly, these include dinosaurs with each of the cards. So I thought that was a great deal for the $1.25. I'm just giving you kind of an overview of some of the Valentine merchandise that's just appearing. These small hurricane-shaped vases fit perfectly on these pink candle pedestals. So for $2.50 a piece, you could make a pair of these for your table. I think the battery-powered candles that Dollar Tree sells would fit very nicely in them. The candle pedestals came in a variety of colors. Some of them were two-toned. And again, these hurricane-shaped vases that I think are new to Dollar Tree, this is the first time I've seen them, fit very nicely on top. And you could pair that with some of the Dollar Tree battery-powered candles as well, for example, as these little small LED votives. Here I'm just showing you again the pink ones. They're also very pretty and stand alone if you'd just like to place a candle on top, or if you'd like to use the hurricane-shaped vases and have it singly displayed. I picked up some of these beads. These have jingle bells attached, and you get 2 per package for the 63 cents, as well as these scarves. And I picked them up to use as package adornments. For those of you who still have more gatherings and gift exchanges, you can use those to adorn your packages instead of traditional bows. Similarly, you could use some of the lighted necklaces that way. Down here, you see the cobblestone corners houses that are also really pretty painted. I'm showing you again just how pretty these strands of beads in the different color combinations are. Now here we're into the Valentine's Day plus aisle. And this little teddy bear was just calling my name. They're really soft, as are these beautiful Valentine pillows in the shape of hearts. They say hugs and love and come in really plush colors. Here's some little trucks. All of these items now are in the dollar plus aisle, and they go from $3 to $5. These pillows are a very good buy, very well made, as are these sweet teddy bears for $5 a piece. You can see they come in a variety of colors, traditional as well as the pastels. These plush come in a 2-pack, and they say BFF, best friends forever, and I think that's a really sweet idea. Here, more Valentine containers are available for gifting. You can put together really fun gift baskets using those. They're a good size for filling with different Valentine candy hearts and red kitchen items, or depending on who you're giving the gift to, there's so many different options for using those in festive, fun ways. You can see they also have the different Valentine candles. Here are more plush. These are all $1.25. Now here I'm showing you something new. These glass teddy bears have screw-on lids, and they come in pink and red. They're very nice quality with a good weight to them. And wouldn't they be fun to fill with candy? Similarly, these beautiful containers with the heart-shaped lids are very nice quality for $1.25. I was really happy to see those. You can see on this shelf, they have them displayed, and you can see what a lovely glass container it is, and a beautiful finish to that lid with the heart-shaped design. Here are some gift boxes that have little pull-out drawers, as well as other decorative gift boxes and containers. They have a nice assortment of candles in lovely pastel colors, as well as a lot of the fuzzy friends. Here, I thought these were very pretty. These are also $1.25 next to those candle pedestals that I showed to you. Some of these designs were very pretty. I especially liked this zebra pattern. Wouldn't that be just so pretty displayed on a small easel? Here's more of the glass vases, candles, and very well-stocked assortment here. The two-tiered tray for Valentine's Day was pretty, and here's a light-up tabletop decor. This love letters mailbox is made of metal and had a really nice weight and size to it, and I think a child would have a lot of fun with that. Now, I know we're getting ahead of ourselves, but they were starting to introduce the springtime Easter bunnies, so I did want to show those to you. They're available in the plus aisle. They also have these light-up peeps. They're bunny 10-inch LED candles, they're calling them, and they're plastic. Here, these are really nice for $3. They have kind of a fuzzy feel, and these bunnies come in the moss-colored as well as the soft yellow and blue. These peeps are bunny string lights for $5, and you can see I'm using the tester button to show you how they illuminate. They're really pretty, and again could be worked into Easter baskets or arrangements. These made out of the sisal are really cute bunnies. And down here, they had some displays. I think some of those arrangements we could certainly make. Here again, I'm showing you the peeps. I was pretty fascinated with these because they are new to me anyway, and they're $5 a piece. You can see there's got a tester button on these as well, just to show you how the illumination works. Although we're still immersed in the beauty of this holy season of Christmas, it was fun to see some of these springtime items. These faux turf table runners were fun. They also had some pretty arrangements with the pastel eggs. I think we could certainly recreate these in a more beautiful way ourselves, though. Here again, some of the little bunnies that are adorned. I saw these arrangements for $5, but again, I think these are just inspiration pieces for ones we can make ourselves. Amidst all of the other displays, you can see they also have festive items for Mardi Gras. And over here, I'm just showing you some of the pastel vases that they had, a nice assortment of shapes and sizes of the varying vases. And these baskets are new. These are similar to the ones they have, but they have gold and silver. These message boards were nice for $1.25. And the premier yarn was also nice. I thought this red would be pretty to wrap some of the wooden hearts. Speaking of red, these glasses had red designs, and you can see they had some very pretty chargers and dishware as well in a variety of colors. Here, I'm showing you some more of those little canvas art pieces. I thought this was very elegant. And over in the plasticware, this was fun with all the polka dots. Here again, I'm showing you a Valentine table runner in the plus aisle. These are $3, and they're made out of a felt. They come in a variety of colors. Over here, again in the plus section, you can see heartstring lights, plush throws, and tabletop decor. They also had the larger Russell Stover hearts and some of the roses hearts, as well as some of the grapevine hearts adorned. These were very pretty displays of roses in these black hat-shaped boxes. Those were $5 a piece. And I really like these frames. These were $3, and you could put a very special picture inside. They were nicely made and had glitter. I liked these fruit stems. These were very realistic. They look like lemons and mandarin oranges, and I think they could be worked in to a variety of wreaths or other groupings. These are cute. This is all of the springtime Easter ribbon in all of the festive Easter patterns and pastels. You can see here too the bunny tails and the carrots. I used a lot of those last year when I made a very popular bunny upside down in a bucket of carrots. You can see from the overlay how charming that turned out, and it was very easy to create. Here again from last year, they have the garlands made out of the wood beads. These Valentine's Day crafting supplies are really nice. They have some scatter and vase filler. These foam hearts are nice for wrapping with yarn. I made some of those last year. Here's some really beautiful Valentine's Day ribbons in vivid colors. And I also saw a large assortment of the acrylic paints. Thanks for shopping with me. Please do comment and share your thoughts. Have a blessed and Merry Christmas season.